What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Vegeta, Super Saiyan God Red. I've already drawn this once, so gotta draw it again. It's very cool. He looks really good as the red. Vegeta does, especially. I think Vegeta looks better than Goku, actually, in this form. Don't know why. Maybe it's the fiery attitude. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast. So he's got like, it's kind of like a fight pose where his hand is like up over his forehead. I think Vegeta does this pose quite a bit, so let's give this a little old go, shall we? Center point here. We're going to go down over to the left, right? And his head is kind of tilted and the hand comes across. So the eyes are kind of diagonal on this sort of shape, right? And we'll start with that W sort of shape in the middle of the forehead that they always have in Dragon Ball. Kind of like this. And we do our eyebrows out from here. So we'll go like kind of like a check mark or a tick, curving up and down. Now this part will be underneath the hand, but I think it's just easier to draw in the eyebrows, even if you can't see them. So square end, and then we'll just curve this back down, and it gets thinner as we go down. Okay. Something similar on the other side, slightly maybe smaller eyebrow, maybe the angle's different, goes up, down to there. It's not too much different, just a little bit. Okay, and he does have some sort of frowning lines like this on his brow. So typical Dragon Ball eyes, so we go small line, just there, longer line diagonally, there, join them together with a curved line, like that. Red iris, big in this case. You can go smaller if you want, of course, and the pupil. Half circle looking up. Same on the other side. Small line, the longer line, curved line, join them together. Red iris, half circle, pupil half circle, looking up. Bum, bum, bum. Nose then, so we do kind of like a little hook, like so. And they usually draw in the shadow on the side of the nose, or the bridge. Then we have the cheek marks. And his mouth, pretty flat, grumpy Vegeta, downturned at the sides. And just like bottom lip sort of areas, they usually do just a little shadow like that. And then the chin, square. So we're kind of a little bit in 3/4, right? So what that means is the face is slightly turned away from us on one side. So what animators like to do to get this look is they do a jaw on one side and a cheek on the other side, okay? And in the case of Dragon Ball, we normally do jawbone, and it normally stops edge of the eye across from the mouth. See there? That's where you change your direction. Go up towards the eyebrow. Now we're going to stop sort of here because his hand kind of comes across and we can't see his ear or anything. See a little bit of his earlobe. So a little bit, just there. But as I said, on this side it's different, right? So that goes like straight out that way. This one's going to go sort of curve in and out. See that? Different. And then we meet the cheekbone and then up. And this curves out. Kind of becomes his forehead then. That's a bit thick down there. Just lighten that up, sorry. Now, so then this joins his hairline. Right, which is, you know, his forehead. And then his hairline, this V in the middle. And again, this will kind of disappear behind his hand. Just stop it there, maybe. We can see the ear on this side. And then some ear lines just inside. Okay, we'll get the hair spikes, some of them in, and then we'll probably do the hand and glove and try and attach it up to a body. Well, maybe the body might be worth doing as well. We'll see. We'll see how we go. So hair spikes. Here. I think there's like a big one here. It's kind of wavier hair. If I go off my page, likely up here as well. And a real big one here. I'm kind of stopping here because we can't see any of this because the fingers in the hand. You could like make it up and sort of draw and erase after if you want, but I will just sort of draw what I can see. Makes things easier, I'd say. Right, so I guess I get the hand in. So he's got sort of two fingers up, he's doing this kind of thing. Right, so two bent fingers, two sort of a little bit bent on top. So let's do like the bottom of the glove, sort of here, curving around. Just give us a better idea where things are, right? And he's got the big wrist part. Okay. So his hand then comes across here. And then you have pinky first. Knuckles curving down around. Ring finger. Your fingers always have like 3 segments. So you have 3 sort of folds. Two sort of knuckle areas where it bends, and then 3 flesh segments. So 1, 2, 3. And hands are extremely hard, so hit pause if I'm going too fast. Next finger, slightly more vertical now, this one. Final finger and then thumb. Curving around, segments 1, 2, 3. And then the side of the hand, going down that way. And then the thumb is here, so we'll go that way, and the back of the hand just comes this way and connects with the thumb. Now this comes over his eyebrow, as I said, and his eye, right? So we go this way, and then up and around. So we have to erase anything we can just in there. And then we may have some like palm of the hand lines, stuff like, you know, this. Okay, so fairly big hand now. And then we can add texture and like some stuff, fill in the gaps kind of thing. Maybe we should see some of his sideburn here. And then add some texture to this hair. Let's just follow in each hair spike. Should there be more hair spikes there? No, there isn't in the picture anyway. Okay, body now. So he's got that Saiyan armor on, so we've got like this sort of a curved shape just here underneath, right? And these come up underneath his armpit on that side, and up and kind of around his chest on this side. Comes sort of chest armor in here. And chest armor on this side as well. Some texture lines and stuff on them here. So then top of his chest muscles sort of come in here. And then we got neck. And he's got a collar sort of that we can see coming around this side. Not on the other side though. Right, we'll finish this armor. So we got a little bump there. Then like his body shape just going down like that. So this is like the core at the end. And then there's like different sections and plates and stuff. Right, and this is like a sort of layered thing. And then we can just see like his legs going that way. Right, so then we have straps going around the shoulders. Yellow ones. on this side too. Those bumpy Saiyan shoulders. Saiyan straps, should I say. And wait, there's another hand here. Oh yeah. So, right, we need an arm. We need to do an arm, guys. Okay. Shoulder area, armpit, lats, you know, your sort of back muscles. And then this joins the tricep, which goes this way. I think curves up here. So then his forearm kind of just comes out here. We've got like an elbow. Right. And then maybe bicep or something in there. Armpit in there. Boo boo. Okay, and then other shoulder and arm, we go this way. Right, and then glove. Goes that away. And then I think we can just see his hand coming out here, right? So knuckles on the thumb. Going up here. And then like this. And I'm going to give him some aura. So we'll go kind of a oozing one, not a spiky one, for Vegeta. We'll go that red and yellow. You might have some escaping. Up that way. And Vegeta, Super Saiyan God. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.